So we are going to be trying to make it out alive with just pistols. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite pistol is in the game.
I'm not trying to flip out. I'm not trying to flip out. I'm not trying to flip out. I'm not trying to flip out.
Oh, y'all good?
Is that
Yeah.
also you?
Wang.
One right here on the right too, Wayne. Careful. Oh, I got him. Hell fucking yeah. I'm coming to say you, Wang.
Jesus.
Was or wasn't?
Was.
Where?
I just got tagged up. I'm down. Or I'm dead. Oh, okay. I'm full dead.
He's up here. Shot at him a couple times.
Where's Webby to be rezzed? Can you?
Oh,
You're
he's-
dead, Webby?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were fucking good at this shit.
Who told you that?
Webby
On
is
this
about
side?
to smack his
I'd have to
fucking
give a
keyboard on
shit.
the wall. Oh, god damn it. Oh, I'm duking it with pisties.
Let's see if he'll hear me and look at me.
Ping, ping, ping if you can.
I threw a Molotov.
Ooh. Oh, you got pushed.
Oh, right here, right here, right here. He's right there. Enter.
One to your right as well.
Enter, fall back to me if you can.
Oh, no, I'm dead.
Are you guys fucking kidding me?
It's all up to you, Hero Nico.
Bro, I'm gone. Are you joking? I'm out.
He's got to save his pistol.
Oh shit, this is a terrible spot. Yeah, I'm gone.
Yeah, Nico.
Because I don't know where the enemy was, dude.
I was pinging. What do you mean?
The only ping. Who is he
Oh,
shooting
he's shooting
at?
somebody. Or look at your inventory while you're...
Yeah, I'm gonna look at my inventory because I'm brave. I'm not a little bitch like you. You know what? I feel bad. Maybe I'll let these guys kill me.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm super intimidated.
Bro, like it's just like you're nothing to me.
He did.
The fuck? I'm going to the exit point. Are you
He's
kidding
gonna
me?
go right up to the extraction. He's got to get out with all that loot he's got.
Yeah, dude. I'm fucking. I got the bag on me. Allie, can you fix this payment shit?
To your left, to your left, to your left, to your left.
God damn it! I'm multitasking, trying to order Uber Eats, Webby.
Oh. There's a guy, you were aiming at him.
Stupid fuckboy.
He runs away again.
Webby,
He's gotta
I
get some
have
range,
a
so he's
fucking
at an
pistol.
advantage.
Are you?
Oop, he's pushing up on you. On the rocks. Oop,
Yep.
you see him.
Yep.
Another one.
Fuck.
He's in the wood cabin. Yeah, it's AI. Who gives a shit? Whoop.
Fuck. Fucking aim, dumbass. Dude! Bro, why is it? Dude, I'm so fucking. Just kill me. Just gonna try and load these knives. I'm aiming and it's pulling me off my shit. What am I hearing?
People.
They just chilling over there? Okay, I thought it was like players. I mean, maybe it is. I don't know. Oh god, the second I go to look down some shit. Sounds like there's something. Oh my god, why is Nene
Like to
howling
say
right
Wang
now?
cursed us. Because you said we were gonna live and he's gonna die.
Where the fuck is what's up with all the footsteps? Oh my god, Chanel, there better be a fucking grizzly bear outside. What are they doing? Oh. Chanel!
It looks like it.
I don't give
Does the
a fuck,
spectator
dude.
mode have a weird ass delay?
The what?
Okay. I was like, what the fuck are you aiming at? I guess the spectator mode has like some weird ass delay.
Look at chat. I should just made it like this one. Ping, 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 ping. Holy shit, 111.
That was funny.
Are we okay? Oh, okay. We're fine. Blood enough, brother. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, no, I have a backpack. I'm a
grenade.
dumbass.
Fuck you.
Oh, shit. I'm dead. Just kidding. It was Webby. Silly boy.
Webby did that.
He's bullying me. Oh, I don't have enough of this shit.
Oh, fuck off, dude. Are we really
Oh,
playing
God.
this? Alright.
Why he asked me if we're playing that, but he does it.
You're an idiot. It was fucking Wang, you dipshit.
Was it Wang?
Yes, you fucking retard.
Okay, well now I gotta get
How
Wang
about
there.
that one, fuckhead?
Wait, what are we doing?
He's
Never
lying.
mind.
Ah! Was that Wang again?
No, that was me.
Okay. Chat, do we let Webby slide?
Oh shit, let Webby slide. I'm fucked
Oh,
up
Wang,
now because
sorry.
you dumbass Molotov.
No, no, no. Do we let Webby slide now? So now I'm offended.
The fuck is that?
What is that?
Oh, helicopter.
I've heard this one time. What does that do?
That is a helicopter and it
Is it
sounds like
like-
it's leaving.
Do a drop?
Coming.
Run the opposite direction of
Ping,
where.
We're
no
not
ping.
close enough to support.
I dropped one.
Fuck, guys, I'm out of beef jerky. This is bad. Shit!
That's hilarious.
Did you still hear any more, or was that it? Well, I see you, so I'm assuming good. Actually, yeah, he died
This is all
right away, so I'm
ass.
just gonna take a shit.
You would think that this bunker would have good shit. You would think it'd have like one good fucking thing.
I'm dead. Downstairs. I am full dead again. What is happening?
I'll protect you, Webby. You should trust
You
me.
have yet to do that. Yeah.
Maybe I can just aim. So apparently I'm overshooting right now.
Shoots my dead body. Oh
Oh,
yeah,
just
this
fell.
is not my day. I've gotten one tap twice now.
I think it's gonna take me 15 minutes to get over there.
Sam.
You need my elite skill?
I think I killed him.
Wang, do you still need my elite skill?
That's hilarious.
Dude, can this guy fucking die? Bro. This game's being gay.
Hey, he has a deagle for you, Nico.
The dead guy?
Yeah.
He has pistols too? I'm probably just gonna buy one after. You guys can keep it.
I don't want it.
Unless you guys need
This
my
one has,
elite skill.
M9.
Okay, dude, can this guy bleed out and fucking die? Oh, it's probably because I'm rocking the armor piercing. But I think I need to rock the dum-dum rounds. Ooh, let's see how far I can shoot this guy, chat.
Words.
Why is the game sensing when I'm aiming at bitches? It fucking knows. It's- Bro, jeez. Trying to time the shots here. There we go. Why do I hear footsteps? I'm like about to die. I'm about to get him assassinacummed. Bro, I hear you cough and die, you fuck. Bro. Bruh. Chat, this game gives me schizophrenia. Took the bloody chopper. Do you smell, Wang? What do you smell, brother? Those have like a 10-second fuse. It almost feels like they take.
They
a
really
minute.
do have a long ass fuse.
It's actually not.
We're gonna go to the
desirable.
Pinot, whatever the fuck.
Pinot Noir.
I love how Nico firebombed me, but does not have a fucking refresh
What do you mean?
or timeout.
Are you serious?
2 things over there. 2 things. Yeah,
What?
I think Claire's. Oh, did not go.
Take me with you, Wang.
Motherfucker, I pinged! I'm gonna punch
She's
you.
pinging.
I'm punching you. I'm gonna punch you. I'm punching you. Riding your cooter. God.
I know. I tried to cycle it the first time. Are
Huh?
those players, Anner?
I don't know. They came all the way over
Nah.
here. Now he
No way
dies.
that's the play.
Get him, Bob.
Oh boy.
Overwatches?
Tinnitus. I was like, that was actually really good timing because it was the second I started like loading all my shit. Oh, that doesn't hurt me now.
Why are grenades so ineffective?
That was wild.
Wait, let me see. Let me see.
Well, it'll probably work for Anner. I wish. Oh, that one.
That's
That
for
one.
Allie's shorts.
Your shorts were revenge. Why she got 3 new fucking pairs?
So I told her I was gonna bully you. So
It's the better
I did my
deal.
job. You're not allowed to bully him. I'm allowed to. I've been here.
I'm
long
gonna
enough.
kill myself. Mm.
You do that to everyone. You do
Oh,
that to
thank
everyone.
God.
That means nothing.
Oh, my Lord. Thank you.
You're just a whore.
Oh, chat.
Hurry, killing me.
Who
Gold.
would have thought we fucking would find that on the goddamn beach? Oh. That was just... I'm...
Hi.
Discard all the stuff so we can't take it.
Throw it into the water. Oh wait, you still need to go here.
I've never really been to the radio place, so I'm gonna go. We got
Don't
so
you have a
lucky.
task here?
Wang does. I don't think I picked it up.
As if he turned it in. What's their task here?
To visit it.
Oh my god, I think I got him.
He didn't drop right away, I'm not gonna lie to you.
You got the letter, it's here. Desk. If it's not the letter, you just visit. I'm the weird.
Dear John letter.
Done listening to you.
Gold digger.
What do you mean?
wow.
I can mute
Goes
you
to
right
Discord
now.
and mutes Wang for the whole stream. Ooh. Got thick dump
That's
trucks
crazy.
in the back,
Me
guys.
personally, I wouldn't have even replied. He would just be muted now. It's,
The what? You guys search the jackets in here or no?
I did not.
good thing that's not like valuable ammo or anything. That'd be awkward. Dives off, fucking dies.
I was like, well, if I die, this will be kind of funny, I guess. We all just get sniped.
One of these raids, I swear I'll get out.
Oh. Oh, mine's not even counting down. What the fuck? I get sniped now.